Welcome back, my viewers and subscriber. Big super. Me there upper retreat. Yeah. Me there. Me there right on the bridge at upper retreat, my viewers and subscriber. Big super there on the bridge. And me wake up early this morning, people. Because from where the time is very hot. Very hot. I'm going to take a walk, people, because I see them Isle Road in the vicinity of Alexandra, upper retreat. If you're coming from Marant Bay, it's before you reach the bridge. So stick and stay, people. Big super, I'm going to take a walk and look on this section of road here and make you guys see what's going on. So my viewers and sub, it's a beautiful morning. Yeah, 5:35 in the morning. Early walk this, you know. My lungs and everything feel nice. 5:35. Yeah. Wednesday, September the 20th, 2023. Big super. They are upper retreat. My viewers and sub. They are upper retreat. And I make a walk in the direction. I think that they call that bridge the Johnson River Bridge. I stand corrected. I think it's the Johnson River Bridge. And that bridge, when I come through a while ago up the road, so that would be the retreat bridge. Yeah. So I make a walk in the direction of the road of them aisle. I just go scrutinize it, make you guys see it and stuff. Pull up the comment section and tell me when I think. I'm going to start feature the drain. My viewers and sub, Big Super going to start feature the drain from now. Because when I talk to Whitehead say to me, if the gully them and the drain no maintain, we not go really have no road. No care what we do. So I'm going to start feature the drains, people. And thing. And the people them where I say about white line and all them things there, I don't think I'm going to put in a white line because them say them have a second coat to put on. And it wouldn't make no sense to put on the white line and the second coat. No go on yet. Yeah, it won't really add up. So right in the vicinity here, about maybe a week or so, I see Smith, Asphalt, I see them coming in the afternoon and them grade it and them roll it. And then about 2 nights back from right to the intersection here, most people call that year or whatever them call it, cesspool road, but it's not really cesspool road, it's just because a man have a cesspool truck. People them a retreat are gonna beat me. But me see them Isle Road now, people, so me actually know a walk on the surface. Me actually there on the surface, see there I come from the bridge. And me actually there on the surface where them Isle. And when the mall is there on it, they have a whole heap of dust. Yeah, boy, so the people, so them a drive hard on it. Boy, me I tell you. So them a drive hard now, them just a fly like aeroplane. So, to me right, you can't see it over here, people, but you have a gully where dig out. To me right, yeah, you can't really see it. But there is a gully. Morning. There is a gully to my right. A trench where dig out. I like to know more, some updates to know when I come back and look at it and get it sorted out. Some of viewers, it's an early morning vlog. Yeah. See it? We're overtaking a go on the road already, you know. The road out here, a retreat, up at Alexandra, it Isle. Yeah, and the surface side look good. Yeah, my viewers and sub. The surface side look magnificent. So the vehicle them no longer boogie. Because it's normally when you come on a section of road there, but it was coming like, I like when you pull a teeth. You can go back in my video, in my videos them and look and see when the drivers them I come through that section of road there. I hear so a whole heap of alleviation going since Smith, because them see out here Smith Asphalt, since them come and grade it down and roll it off and all these things. A whole heap of elevation go on. If you aisle it down, I see the peace officer them just passed through and yelled me up there a while ago. My viewers and sub. So the road out here, we have to tell you guys that it looking good so far. Yeah. People them early out, everybody a traverse the road and big super on it. And everybody know I overtake. Yeah. Everybody know I drive hard, everybody know I overtake. Morning. Yeah. So because the surface is basically nice, roll and clean and aisle. You see, you notice how the road black. This is not asphalt, you know, people. Aisle me a walk on, so the road aisle, so no more dust. Cause you did have a heavy dust. When you drive through the here, you have to wind up your glass and all these things because a lot of dust up on the road. So, my viewers and sub, upper retreat, Alexandra, from bridge to bridge, the road aisle and thing, the dust cut by 99%. So only thing leave now is for them come back and put on the asphalt on the road. So we big up the work team where I do this section of the road. I try to complete it, big super big enough. And although we don't know they're on schedule and although we don't know they're on time, but we still are going same way. Morning, my general. Yeah, man. How the road look to you so far now? Since it aisle? I'll tell you something, you know. Yeah. They could do better than this. Them could do better than this? They could do better than this because look here, so. Look on this, so. Yeah. Because this is a bad news right there, so. Bad news? Bad news right there. Right in the vicinity, yeah, so. Bad news. Right. Bad news. Well, the community, what you call it again? I don't want to say blacker scheme, because the last time I say blacker scheme, the people them cost me. Alexander Park. Alexander Park. So you say them right in the intersection, yeah, so. Yeah, this. If you come in the scheme. It's just like it did out there, sir. Yeah. Right here. Yeah. Them so exact. They're exact. Them exact. Yeah, them should have come in the scheme. They're not ready. They're not ready. They look like they're ready, but they're not going nowhere. But maybe they know. You know, take nothing for you, technical something. Yeah, well, you know what I say? Maybe them not get the contract to go up in the scheme. I know up in the scheme, you're going to write it, polish it off. Okay, so them should have. Polish off, yes, so them should have just come in right at the entrance, or so. So. It's just like it outside here. Yeah. They don't know if it's so exact. Yeah, they don't know if it's so exact. Yeah, I understand what I say. Because exact. Even you, when you do your work. Right. You're not exact. No. Sometimes you might get a acre, but you go over a little bit more. Right. You understand? Right. Mr. Up and look for this because even right now, as somebody may wait for them come like in and one lock the place into truck and say, the lock, and take off the lock. Yeah. He don't say nothing to me. He don't say nothing to you. Right. We can't notice everything, so. Yeah. Him to more interested because him left in charge. Yeah. It's just like this now. Yeah. This coming like when somebody can come here and you want to come in. You have to slow down. Yep, and anything can. Meanwhile, you take time to slow down. Somebody is right here. Yeah, and a vehicle can be running right, right. Yeah, so right in front of the scheme here, the viewers and sub, the residents are complaining. So they don't know if it's exact when they do the road. I mean, there should be more remainder. Give a little remainder. Yeah. They need to give a little remainder. Yeah, a little, yeah. So they need to come in on the main road. And you see that big hole there right there. So, yeah, so I understand exactly what you're talking about, you know, Daddy. Trust me. Because I work with people and I run people's business. Yeah. You must know what you're doing, you know, so exact. Yeah. That is exact. Yeah, man. So, the resident must say you can come in and full out them hole right at the front. Yeah. So
polish everything and done.
yeah, so I hope when time them start to asphalt it, I hope them just complete all of the little things.
Because right now it's a trap same way.
Yeah, it's a trap, yeah. That is true, that is true. Alright, Daddy, blessings for the reason here.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah man, so me get a reason with the elderly folks and they must say right at the entrance of the scheme. Them don't want the people that may work on the road, whitehead. You know if I your crew I got asphalt it. But I may see I work on it from with here. When you kind of come in on the scheme and make the scheme, you know, give the entrance to the scheme a little love, you know, and touch the scheme there. So I'm some patrol I go up in the scheme because most of the time you know when you contract upon the main, you're not supposed to maybe vary off of the main and all them things there. Some viewers and sub, as me I tell you, I'm going to walk from bridge to the other bridge down there, so Johnson River Bridge. And the road aisle up here in our upper retreat, Alexandra. And it looking good. The vehicle them now start speed and thing. The vehicle them start speed up and all these things. So it's a wonderful look. Good morning. Yeah, it's a wonderful look, my viewers and stuff. I'm out here early in the morning bringing you guys this report, and I hope you guys like it and fill up the comment section and let me know what you think when especially about a team working on a road and a pass an intersection, and the intersection might mash up, although it might not in the work schedule, it might not in the contract. But what you think? You think them should have, you know, go over 150 feet and, you know, make the front of the entrance of the road where them a pass. Come see them do it all the while, make the entrance to other community lookable. So for now, Big Super is out here. And remember to like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, people. Just do the right thing. Big Super. Up in Upper Retreat, Alexandra, St.Thomas. Same to you guys. Peace out, people. Peace out. And people, remember me always I tell you now, on a $5 and on a $10 help grow the channel. And you can donate by a PayPal, or you can donate by a link. Or you can go down in the description and you see me way down in the description and you see my phone number. And you can donate to help keep the channel growing. Alright, bye bye. Later.